I'm back with another video on our studio.
Okay.
Today we're going to learn how to plot box plots and violin plots. So let's start. What are we waiting for? Okay, I've opened up the R Studio. First of all, we'll go here. As I've told in the earlier videos, just select a folder which we want to use. For my analysis, I want to use this particular folder. Okay, I'll just open it up. And then from here, I'll set it as working directory. Here, okay. Next step, I just want to load the library which I'm going to use. It's gonna be ggplot2. I'll press Control press Enter. Okay. This library is gonna be installed here. Okay, next step would be load our dataset df, set it as df, read.csv since it's present as a CSV file. What's the name of the file? Here, we'll go at the end, manipulated health data, okay? Manipulated health data.csv. Don't forget to mention the extension name, okay? Then press Control plus Enter. Here we have it. We have our data here. Okay, we have our data set. Next step is to just plot it, okay? We'll set it as element, plot element, ggplot function. What is our data set? df, comma, aes for aesthetics. Now we need to check what will be the x variable, okay? I've opened it up. You can open it up from here, view df, okay? It will open up, okay, here. So our x variable will be gender, and I'll use one of the numerical variables as the y variable, maybe health promoting lifestyle, okay? So x is equal to the gender. Whenever we plot box plots, we basically use one categorical variable and one numerical variable. Categorical variable will be displayed on the x-axis, and the numerical variable will be displayed on the y-axis, okay? Health dot lifestyle. Let's check if our spellings are correct. Okay, promoting P is capital. Lifestyle L is also capital. Now, I want to use the fill argument too, so that it will be colorful. My graph would be colorful. Next plus geom box plot, since we're plotting a box plot, plus facet grid. Now I want to divide it into grids based on a variable. We will use this particular sign and assign it to a categorical variable. Assign a categorical variable here, okay? It would be, let's say I'll use socioeconomic status, okay? Socio.economic status, okay? Then plus labs, set the title. Title is equal to distribution of health promoting lifestyle among medical students, okay? X variable is set. I don't need to change that because it will be displayed as genders, but Y, it will show dots, so I need to set it as this one, health promoting lifestyle. Okay, all set. Now press Control plus Enter. Could not find function fast grid. Okay, there's an error here. Facet grid. This is facet grid, okay? Okay, I've run it. Now I'll just simply print it, okay? Print plot. Control plus Enter. Remember, I'm pressing Control plus Enter, okay? Now here, we have this beautiful graph here. It's very beautiful, right?
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
Okay, next one If we want to convert this to a violin plot, we can simply change this to violin. Okay. Now check the difference. Control plus enter. Okay, control plus enter here as well, and then control plus enter again. Yeah, you see, this is a violin plot. So basically, violin plots, the widths of the violin plots shows that at this specific point, the distribution of data is more as compared to this one. So a violin plot is useful when there are some outliers. It will show you that there are some outliers here, right? But in a box plot, as we plotted before, you see there's one outlier here and it's showing up and it's not looking very good. So in this case, you can use violin plot, but this is like a small data set. So it's okay to use both either box plot here or violin plot. It's your choice. That's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, and turn the bell notifications on. Bye bye.